Your stomach contains acid strong enough to help break down food, so why doesn't it digest your stomach too? The answer is one of the most incredible survival systems inside your body. Your stomach lining constantly renews itself, replacing old cells with new ones every few days. This rapid renewal helps protect your stomach from the powerful digestive acids it produces every single day. Without this process, your stomach could begin damaging itself. 1. Your stomach produces hydrochloric acid, one of the strongest acids naturally found in the body. It's powerful enough to break apart food and destroy many harmful microbes. But your stomach doesn't rely on tough tissue alone. It also covers itself with a thick layer of mucus that acts like a protective shield, keeping the acid away from the stomach wall. 2. Even with this protective mucus, some stomach cells become damaged by acid over time. That's why your body continuously creates brand new stomach lining cells. As older cells wear out, they're replaced with fresh ones, keeping the stomach strong and healthy. It's like constantly repairing a wall before cracks can spread. 3. This repair system works around the clock, but it isn't indestructible. Long-term overuse of certain painkillers, heavy alcohol consumption, smoking, infections like H. pylori, or severe stress on the body can weaken these defenses. When protection breaks down, acid may damage the stomach lining, increasing the risk of irritation or ulcers. You have to know what you can do to protect your stomach, and they are: Number 1. Avoid taking painkillers unnecessarily or on an empty stomach unless directed by a healthcare professional. Number 2. Limit excessive alcohol and avoid smoking. Number 3. Eat a balanced diet and stay hydrated. Number 4. If you have ongoing stomach pain, frequent heartburn, or signs of an ulcer, see a healthcare provider instead of ignoring it. Small habits can help your stomach's natural repair system do its job. Every few days, your stomach quietly rebuilds its own protective lining, allowing you to digest food without digesting yourself. Your body is performing incredible repairs every moment, even when you don't notice. Subscribe for more amazing facts your body has been hiding from you.